Hello, my name is Subodh. I am currently 12 years old and live in Chicago, Illinois. The course I've been taking with Unbound is game development, app development, and now I'm working on Python. My journey in Unbound has been 13 months. My project will be a ping pong game. You need to know how to use collisions because as the ball has to bounce off the bars. And so we tried to make it and it was a big success. It was a very fun game to make, and it is fun to play. You can play, it's a two-player game, so you can play with your friends and all that things. You can change the colors and everything. I've just set it to black and green. So yeah, the inside isn't that complex, but it kind of is. So we just start up with the variables, the bars, all that thing. We just colored, we made the ball, scaled everything down to its size we want it to be. Now this gets to the complex part. We start with the draw loop for the background. We need a draw loop for the background or it'll just make a huge, the ball and the bars will make a huge shell behind it. And then we colored everything with a lime because that was the thing. We made it like a binary thing. After that, we started to make the game itself. The game started to come together pretty nicely. We started by making the edge sprites so it can be used to. So we can make them into variables, and then we could use them in our program to make. So if the ball hits that side, then it will give the other team a point, and then we could probably do some other stuff with it. Now, after the ball would hit the other side or reach an X level of 200, the ball would increase. So if the ball would touch, so after that is the if conditions or the if conditional statement. So if the ball is touching the right edge, then that team's score will go up by 1, the ball will go faster, and the ball will transfer right into the middle. It's the same thing now here. We just displayed the score. We displayed the score here, and if both the scores have a greater value than 24, then we destroy everything else besides the score and those 2 lines. And then we tell the side has 1, and you could reset the game by pressing this little icon right here. That's pretty much the whole game. It was a pretty interesting game. It was very fun to make with my mentor. And I hope you enjoy this project.